All right, let's talk about voice chat. If you're looking to completely transform your online presence, from your gaming sessions to D&D nights, then you really need to hear about Noise-o-matic. And trust me, this isn't just another soundboard, it's a full-blown audio command center for your voice.
We've all been there, right? You've got your basic soundboard, you hit a key, and out comes the same old air horn or that one meme sound. It's fine, it gets a laugh, but let's be honest, the novelty wears off pretty fast. So what if you could create the sounds yourself, change your voice on the fly, and even clone your own voice with AI? Well, that's exactly where we're headed.
Exactly. So just forget about those one-trick ponies. Noise-o-matic is an entire audio suite. We are not just talking about playing back clips that someone else made. We're talking about a tool that lets you create, lets you perform, and have a ridiculous amount of fun with sound, all inside one streamlined package. Okay, let's really dive into this toolbox because it is absolutely stacked. This is what separates it from pretty much everything else out there. So you get the high-performance soundboard with hotkeys. That's your foundation. But on top of that, you have a recorder and an editor, so you can clip your own sounds instantly. Then you have the real-time voice changer, and oh man, we'll get to how wild that is in a minute. And it doesn't stop there. We're talking text-to-speech, cutting-edge AI voice cloning with 11 Labs integration, and even speech-to-text. It really is less of a soundboard and more of a personal audio production studio. And look, none of this matters if it's a pain to use, right? Well, this whole thing is designed to be your audio co-pilot everywhere you go online. Whether you're coordinating a raid in Discord, talking a little trash in CS2, or dropping into Fortnite, it integrates seamlessly. No hassle, no complicated setup, just pure audio power, exactly where you need it. Now, this is where things get a little bit like science fiction. Check out this AI voice pipeline. First, you talk into your mic. The app instantly turns your speech into text. Then, and this is the crazy part, it can feed that text to a text-to-speech engine that uses a clone of your own voice. Think about that. You can have the app say anything in a perfect replica of your voice, all from a quick text input. The potential for content creation, or just for messing with your friends, is absolutely off the charts.
So, okay, the features sound incredible, but what do actual users think? Let's check in with the community and see what people are really saying about it.
I just love this. An audio Swiss Army knife. That is the perfect description. It's not about just one function. It's about having the right tool for any audio idea that pops into your head, ready to go at a moment's notice. And this is what I'm talking about. This is a perfect example of that creativity in action. Using the voice changer to become a literal rap for a D&D campaign? Come on, that's not just a feature. That's creating a legendary gaming moment that your friends are never going to forget. That's the real power here. Okay, so with all this power, you're probably thinking it's gotta bog down your system, right? The last thing anyone needs is lag during a heated game. Well, let's look under the hood for a sec because the design is seriously clever. First off, it's built in modern C++, so it's designed to be fast and lightweight. But here is the killer feature for anyone who cares about their PC's health. It installs 0 drivers. It doesn't clutter up your system with kernel-level stuff that can cause conflicts or slow you down. All it needs is admin rights one time to do its thing in the registry, and that's it. It's clean, efficient, and built for performance. Plus, you get Steam Workshop integration and support for pretty much every audio file you can think of. So you're probably thinking, okay, I'm intrigued. How do I get my hands on this? Well, the good news is it's incredibly easy and completely risk-free. Let's start with the deal. Right now, there is a 15% discount on Steam, which makes it a really great time to jump in. But even better, you can try it with total peace of mind. You just buy it, play with it for up to 2 hours, and if for any reason at all it's not for you, Steam's famous refund policy has your back for a full refund. No questions asked, it's that simple. And hey, if you're still on the fence, there's a free demo right on the Steam page. You can try out the core functionality without spending a single dime. You literally have nothing to lose by giving it a shot. So, with a feature set that's more like a creative studio, AI tools that feel like they're from the future, and a design that actually respects your PC, the only real question left is, what are you going to create? Are you ready to make some noise?